Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure hedge fund strategies with AQR Capital Management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To secure hedge fund strategies with AQR Capital Management, start by understanding the firm's investment philosophy. Familiarize yourself with AQR's systematic, research-driven approach to investing. Explore their various strategies, including equity market neutral, global macro, and alternative risk premia. Review AQR's published research and white papers to gain insights into their methodologies. Identify your investment goals and risk tolerance to align with AQR's offerings. Consider establishing a relationship with AQR by reaching out for an introductory meeting. Gather necessary documentation, including your investment history and financial statements. Discuss your investment objectives in detail during meetings with their representatives. Ask questions about AQR's risk management practices and performance metrics. Request information on fees and minimum investment requirements before proceeding. Evaluate the compatibility of AQR's strategies with your portfolio needs. Conduct thorough due diligence on AQR's track record and team expertise. Review any legal and compliance implications related to investing with AQR. Ensure that you understand the liquidity terms associated with the hedge fund strategies. Finalize your investment decision based on comprehensive research and discussions. Prepare for the onboarding process once you decide to proceed. Maintain ongoing communication with AQR to stay updated on strategy performance. Regularly review your investment portfolio to make necessary adjustments based on market conditions. Stay informed about trends in the hedge fund industry to optimize your investment strategy with AQR. Keep track of AQR's research publications for further insights and strategy updates. Establish a plan for monitoring and re-evaluating your investment as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.